I enjoy reading books in my free time. She works as a teacher at the local school. Can you please pass me the salt? I'll meet you at the park later this afternoon. He was very tired after a long day at work. The weather is usually nice in the summer. We went hiking in the mountains last weekend. My favorite food is pizza with lots of cheese. She studied hard for her final exams. I need to buy some groceries after work. They like to go to the beach on weekends. I can speak Spanish, but not fluently. He's planning to travel to Europe next year. Please don't interrupt me when I'm speaking. It's important to eat a balanced diet. I prefer to drink tea rather than coffee. She's an excellent cook and loves to bake. I have a dentist appointment tomorrow morning. They decided to get married in the spring. We watched a movie at home last night. He's been working on that project for weeks. She couldn't find her keys this morning. We visited the museum during our vacation. Can you recommend a good restaurant in town? He's been learning to play the guitar recently. My cat likes to sleep on the windowsill. They enjoy going to concerts and music festivals. I usually take a walk in the park after dinner. She's trying to improve her English pronunciation. We'll meet at the cafe on Main Street. I need to do some laundry this weekend. He plays basketball with his friends every Sunday. I'm not feeling well, so I'm staying home today. She wants to learn how to swim this summer. They went camping in the forest last month. Can you help me with my math homework? He's saving money to buy a new car. We're planning a family trip to the beach. I'm meeting my friend for lunch tomorrow. She's taking a yoga class to relax. They like to go for a jog in the morning. I enjoy listening to classical music. He's studying hard for his upcoming exams. She's thinking about adopting a pet. We'll celebrate our anniversary next week. I have to attend a meeting this afternoon. They're renovating their kitchen this year. Can you recommend a good book to read? He's learning to cook his favorite dishes. She's practicing her photography skills.